Welcome to Cindy's Artistic World, where I'm into the realm of food today.
Pandemic, whatever, meat prices were going up. Bought a pressure cooker 2 years ago, and I've been canning meats ever since. $1.49 for the chicken thighs. I used to buy chicken breasts for less. London broils were $4.99 a pound. And London broil cans beautifully. You don't have to do anything special to make it tender. When it's pressure canned, it will become tender. But I still stripped away the edges on my meat and cut it into chunks. The thighs, I cut the meat away from both sides, leaving the bones, which went into this pot, along with the chicken skins, because chicken skins and some of that meat turned into soup and chicken broth, while the rest, deboned, went into the canner. I took a good portion of the meat on bones and put it into my homemade barbecue sauce, and then afterwards put it on the grill. Then I also took a few of the what looked like drumsticks, the thigh sticks, let's call them. After they were cooked, put them in the canners, made some soup stew. This is what it looked like after it was barbecued. That's the remainder because we each had some on our plate and it was delicious. And that would be the end of this story.
Thank you for watching Cindy's Artistic World. Please give us a like and subscribe or follow.